Hi, I'm going to be talking about how to create an event on EventBrite. And I love using EventBrite mainly because it advertises to people. Actually, I like it for two reasons. One reason is it advertises my event to people who are not in my network. It helps me, anybody who goes onto EventBrite and can search the right criteria, and I will pop up sometimes in second or third place, or sometimes first. That's great. I like having that visibility. And another thing is I like EventBrite because I can cut and paste the URL, and then when I go networking and I talk about what I do and I say, hey, I have a free workshop, would you like to attend, blah, blah, blah. And then, we all do things on Zoom now. So I can just put the URL, website address into the comment box in Zoom, and people can, if they want to join my workshop, they can do that, which is really easy. So before we delve into creating the EventBrite event, first really have a bit of setup. You're going to need a picture when you do your event, and it's 2160 by 1080 pixels. So it's 2160 by 1080 pixels. Have that ready, and so you can be ready to go. And another thing is really do a little bit of research what people are saying in the niche that you're focusing on. For me, it's work-life balance. So that's what I'm going to research on and what they're saying. And then for me, I also look at the tags that people are using as well and see if those tags, you can use those tags as a guideline or a starting point to help people find you. And over time, when you actually create more events, you're going to find that certain tags work better than the other. But anyways, so let's get into EventBrite and start going. I'll screen share. Let's see. All right, so here let's talk about we're going on EventBrite and looking for the tag. So I'm going to go eventbrite.com, and I'm going to go at work-life balance. So let's look at here's one that's very similar. Cultivate harmony and flow with your work and life. And let's go down. Well, I'm not in Australia, so these 1, 2, 3. I don't know what this class is, that class is, but I'm in San Diego, by the way. There's wellness, career development, woman, work-life balance, self-care. And I won't do career development, but I probably focus on entrepreneur or work from home. Those will be my keywords. So make sure that more, not keywords, but tags, or I guess you can say keywords as well. And let's start creating EventBrite. So I'm going to go here. I normally go into Facebook. You connect it to my Facebook. I always usually log into Facebook because I don't want to remember another login name and key password. So I'm going to go in to EventBrite. And over here, if you go on the very top, there's blue create event. Click on that. And they have some specials. Click on, or you can continue to read it or not. I'm just gonna close it. All right, so here you can enter title. I've already created events. So mine is my top 6 strategies to have it all balanced work and family life. I'm an organizer. It's already selected for me. I don't know if you have any other choice. And so for me, I'm actually doing workshop. So I'm going to go into seminar or talk category. It's going to be business or professional. And I am going to do small business or startup. Whoop, did it not take it? Ooh, not select my stuff. Okay. There. Oh, I think I probably accidentally click a discard. So yeah, it looks like I did. So I'm going to enter the title again. And the tags, so I'm going to do work from home or workshop. It's a workshop. Work from home. Work from home business. And I'll continue doing work. Shoot. I will see what else there. All right. I was trying to do a pause button. Oh, here it is. Entrepreneur. Working mom. Oh, that's an event there. Maybe mompreneur, is there that in there? Oh, mompreneur's here. And I'm going to do a few more. Let's see. What do I have already? Workshop, work from home, self-care. Maybe I'll do the other. Self-development, we'll do that. So let's see, maybe I'll do business development, growth, maybe business development. See what else. Oh, good. I already reached my 10. I am just, you have 3 selections to in location. Venue is, you add in an address. I'm just going to do a Zoom workshop. So I'm going to go online event. And here's date and time. So single event, that's more like you select a date and time and that's it, one time, that's all. Recurring events, you can actually do it daily, weekly, or monthly. That's great. However, it doesn't do, say you have, for me, I was trying to do 3 workshops in one day. They're only an hour each. I cannot do that. It's only recurring. It does not do multiple events on one day. So make sure that you decide which one you really want before you select it, because once you select it, you can't change it at all. So I'm just, as a example for this video, let's just do recurring. I'm going to do it, save. So here, because it's recurring, I'm going to select that it's on Thursday on every week, Thursday a week. So Thursday, let's say 9 a.m. That's my schedule. And I end it, I have an end time. Let's do it for end date for the number of events. So and let's do it at maybe the end of September. That's the end date. So it's got a quite number, or you can create another, how many events you want, and then you press save. This is going to be a mock, so it's the event will happen 7 times. And I'll continue if I actually like it, or I can, let me just move this here. Change it if I want to. So let's continue. And here is the picture that I was telling you about, but to get 21 by 60 by 1080. So if your picture is actually bigger than what they recommend, it will crop it, and then you can move your crop bar around and select what section of your image you would like. I personally would like to just do it at the right size so I know what it's going to look like when it uploads. So let's do that. That's my picture. And then you can create a summary. So I'm just going to say, learn my top 6 strategies to have it all balance work and family life with joy and ease. Now here, you can write your more description about your event, and then you can write an image, put in another image, you write more text, you can put in more videos, and I will get onto another event and cut and paste, and I'll show you how I do it. Oh, here's manage my event. I already have an event, so I'm just going to cut and paste from what I have. Let's take this one. I'm going to take the details and cut and paste from a previous event. What it looks like. That, and I'll add a video I want. So I'm going to go into my YouTube channel. New fan coaching. And I don't have I only have 21 videos, so I can just go into my channel and select the videos I want. Let's see, I think I would like to have this one, how to get clients to pay for big bucks. That's what I'm going to try to use, and copy the URL. No, that's not it. Here it is. Put in my URL, right? And then I save and continue. I will decide to skip all these things. You can, do this on your own. We're just trying to get you up and running and creating your first event, so you don't need all this yet, but you can explore it on your own. Now, here's the create ticket. So there are 3 types of tickets you can have this paid, and to use EventBrite, it's free. And so when people pay for your ticket, it's through PayPal. So PayPal will charge 3%, and EventBrite will charge another 3%. So there'll be a charge of 6% on top of whatever price you are taking. So say it's $100 ticket, they'll take 6%, so you're going to get only $94. But I'm going to create a free event, and then there's a donation. I've only seen a donation once, and then you can say when the ticket sale ends, and that's an hour before I decide, or whatever hours you want before the event starts. So I'm going to say save. Oh, quantities. I'm going to say just I'm going to say 27, just for fun. All right, and then you're basically ready to publish. And once you publish it, I don't want to publish this at all because this was just an event that was free. If I go into an event that I've done previously, if you go at the very bottom, once you publish it, you go to dashboard. I don't know why it says lease site. Let's see what this says. Yeah, dashboard. Just a moment. Okay, so it gives you a lot of details. It tells you how many people have seen your pages. And I just created this event not that long ago, so not many people will see it. At the very, very bottom, it says your event URL. This could be cut and paste, and you can paste it into a LinkedIn when you are going, when you know, into wherever you want to post it. I use it in Facebook in my comments area. I also use it when I go networking and I talk about my workshop, and I said, hey, you can register for it for free right here. And so it's great. And when I had mentioned earlier in the very beginning of this broadcast that you can actually get email addresses of the people who register. And so you go to manage attendees. And because this workshop has no attendees right now, there's an attendee list. So that's great. You can get the name of the people and the address, and that would be great for creating a mailing list. And then you can email attendees. And let me see what that looks like. Let me show you what that looks like. So I wonder if there's an event that I had previously, past. Okay, so here's an event that I created. 10 people registered. So I had 52 views, yay. So if I go here, people had signed up, they marketed it, and I can create emails to the attendees. So right here, say create attendee email list, create new attendee email. So I can press that and send them an email, whatever, and you can actually schedule a time. And so for me, 2 days, what happens is 2 days before the event, I give people a reminder. And then 30 minutes before the event, I also give them a reminder and as well. And also EventBrite on its own will send in a acknowledgement of the event when they sign up. So those are great. I believe that's all there is about EventBrite. That's how you use EventBrite, and I hope you have a success event. Thank you. All right, we will stop. Thanks.